Guys, hello there. I want to show you how to prepare a quick meal for breakfast. See, it's so easy and so quick. And it's so yummy, guys. Try it to your home.
Salad, gagawin ko yung salad. Ayan, mabalatan natin ito. Mabilis. Ayan. Kita ba? Ganyan lang kasimple yan, guys. So, ayan. Kailangan kahit may glue ng konti. Okay. Ayun. Kakat na natin to into pieces na lang. So, ito pinakamadali at mas maganda pang yan, para siya ay yung cucumber strip. Ganyan. Diba? So, madalian lang to, guys. Masarap to kasi summer ngayon. Okay. At ito na nga ang ating cucumber. Ayan, ipapainit na natin yung kawali at saka cooking oil. Ayan na yung oil. Try natin uminit pa. Ayan guys, medyo yung kumainit na to, lalagyan natin dito. Yeah. Okay. Ayan na, biging golden brown na siya. So, kailangan pa natin gawing crispy. Ayan. Ito, medyo